The Ultimate Vital Pump Kissel Reviews Tutorial from Zero to Pro in 1 minute. If you're looking to enhance muscle growth and energy, most people get this wrong by relying on guesswork or cheap supplements. The surprising truth about Vital Pump Kissel is that it's designed to support increased stamina, vascularity, and performance through scientifically backed ingredients. First, let's cover ingredients. Vital Pump Kissel contains L-arginine, citrulline malate, and the Truth extract, all known for boosting nitric oxide and blood flow. Many supplements claim these benefits but lack proper formulation. You won't believe the difference these compounds make in energy and endurance during workouts. Next, usage and timing. For optimal results, take Vital Pump Kissel about 30 minutes before exercise with plenty of water. Most people get this wrong by taking it at random times or skipping pre-workout nutrition, which reduces its effectiveness. Title Start. The Ultimate Junie Boutique Reviews Tutorial from Zero to Pro in 1 minute. Title End. Script Start. The Ultimate Junie Boutique Reviews Tutorial from Zero to Pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for stylish and affordable fashion online, most people get this wrong by assuming all boutiques are the same. The surprising truth about Junie Boutique is that it offers trendy, high-quality pieces with personalized customer service that really sets it apart. First, product selection. Junie Boutique carries a variety of clothing and accessories for women, from chic dresses to casual tops and statement jewellery. You won't believe how frequently new arrivals are added, keeping the catalogue fresh and seasonally relevant. Most people overlook the boutique's curated collections, but these carefully selected items save time and reduce the risk of choosing low-quality products. Next, pricing and value. While it may seem like small boutiques charge a premium, Junie Boutique balances style and affordability. They often offer promotions and bundle deals that make upgrading your wardrobe easier without breaking the bank. Many shoppers get this wrong by comparing prices to large fast fashion chains, missing the added value of quality fabrics and unique designs. Customer experience is another highlight. Orders are processed quickly, shipping is reliable, and support is responsive. Most people underestimate the importance of a boutique that communicates well. Junie Boutique ensures any questions about sizing, returns, or styling are answered promptly. Finally, style guidance. Junie Boutique often features outfit suggestions and lookbooks, helping customers combine pieces effortlessly. You won't believe how much easier it is to shop when you have curated inspiration at your fingertips. In conclusion, Junie Boutique is more than just an online store. It's a fashion destination that blends quality, trends, and exceptional service. By exploring their collections, taking advantage of promotions, and engaging with their style tips, you can go from zero to pro in building a wardrobe that looks cohesive, stylish, and uniquely yours.